Have you ever wished for a single website where you can generate images, edit them, and even turn them into full videos, all in just a few clicks? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to Higgsfield AI, one of the most creative AI platforms available right now. It's loaded with powerful features that make content creation super easy and fun. Let's explore step by step. Our first stop is the image section. Once you click on it, you'll see plenty of tools like Create Image, Soul ID Character, Draw to Edit, Fashion Factory, Edit Image, Image Upscale, and more. For now, let's start with Create Image. When you open it, a dashboard appears. Here you can type your prompt, and just below that, you'll notice the Soul option. Inside, you'll find multiple creative models such as Higgsfield Soul, Nano Banana, Dream, Flux, Context Max, GPT Image, Multi-Reference, and Wan 2.5. For this demo, I'll choose Higgsfield Soul. Next, you select the aspect ratio, like 9:16, 3:4, or 2:3. Then choose the image quality, either basic or high. I'll go with high for sharper results. You can also pick how many images to generate. I'll select 4. Another interesting feature is character selection. You can create your own custom character or pick one from the list. I'll choose Caroline here. After uploading any reference photo, simply click Generate, and your images will be ready instantly. Even if you choose a female character but upload a male photo, the Soul system smartly adapts and still produces natural, high-quality results. That's how impressive Higgsfield AI is. Above every generated image, you'll see 2 options, Edit and Animate. In Animate, you'll find Video, Speak, UGC, and Draw to Video, tools that bring your images to life. In Edit, you get Draw to List, Upscale, Product Placement, In Paint, and Multi-Reference. For example, with Product Placement, you just highlight the area you want to change, type your prompt, and click Generate. I changed a girl's jeans from blue to white in 1 click. Using Nano Banana with Product Placement, you can even swap backgrounds effortlessly. Now, let's move on to the video feature, and this is where Higgsfield AI truly shines. You pick a picture, add your prompt, select the model, and choose the duration, 5 or 10 seconds. But with the latest Wan 2.5 model, the results are on another level. Smoother motion, longer clips up to 10 seconds, HD quality, 480p, 720p, 1080p, cinematic camera moves, and even synced audio and lip movement. For example, a still image of a girl sitting can turn into a video where she performs a graceful flying dance. That's the power of Wan 2.5 on Higgsfield AI. Another very handy option is Edit Image with InPainting. Upload any photo, highlight the part you want to modify, type your prompt, select the model, and hit Generate. I transformed a simple hat into a neon glowing hat with different stylish designs, instantly. And of course, everything can be downloaded directly. So, as you can see, Higgsfield AI gives you an incredible range of creative possibilities, from generating realistic images, editing and animating them, all the way to producing cinematic videos with Wan 2.5. The results are mind-blowing, and the process is super simple. That's all for today's walkthrough. I'll be back soon with another exciting video. Until then, take care.